Bitcoin working its way up. Thanks a lot for putting us in management mode on Mara. Appreciate that. All I wanted was a few bucks. All right. The good news is Bitcoin's back. I was kind of nervous what Bitcoin was honestly going to do right here on this in this range, and we were there last night. So seeing this kind of scream up, that's good. Yeah, we're at a zone, big deal. If it does actually pull back, I'm more excited that it broke out and above. So pulling back, even testing this 99-100 area again, to me, not concerning. For me to be any kind of bearish Bitcoin, it would need to break below this yellow zone right here. As of right now, we're probably working our way towards all-time highs. I know I say that, like, some people will say that, and then you make fun of them, like, oh yeah, what makes you think that? You know, because it's 3 cents away. But the fact that we've gone this sideways, that's kind of why I hesitate a little bit. You know, let's see what we do at this zone. Let's make sure if we do reject, we make a higher low at this blue zone and kind of work our way through it right there. All things looking good. The S&P today, we just, again, so we held that range, popped up, right? Jumped up, hit that zone, pulled back, bounced right here. So we're interacting with these zones pretty well, especially for the first day of being back on the market. I saw some of you guys in the chat killed it today. I wasted the whole day. Shoveling snow, helping people out, came back, took a nap. You guys saw in the chat. Sorry, guys. I was up early, ready to rock, and then it was supposed to be like anything else, just a couple of seconds, and then exhausted, came back, took a nap. It was power hour. So the only thing I did was hold on to some Tesla puts. But I think I would have gone short, realistically. I could have done, could have killed right there. Atticus says, so no crypto winner. Those are like seasons. There's probably still going to be a crypto winner, but we just got out of it, out of one. So crypto winner's probably still a few months out. For now, I would have to look at that as a dip buy. We did kind of get below. We're holding. Let's just watch where we go. If we break today's low, we're coming on down. If we break today's low, I'll let you guys know when we're crashing. You know, because I don't want to talk about I'm buying puts or I'm going short, and you guys think here it is. So hopefully you're paying attention now, because I'll go short from this blue zone to this blue zone. If we break this, then I'll probably just hop on gear, and hopefully we're doing something like kind of heading south like that. So for now, if we don't, we hang out here, I would have to take the long play. We hit that, found some sellers, big deal, bounced here. Do we finally break out and above and kind of test the top of this range? For me to take any shorts, it would need to break this, or we get above this range, which I know is usually right when we're getting out. But I got to say, I'm probably going to take a short position at that zone. Be a futures trade. I still think we find some sellers here. Still could at the top of this range right here. But if we go to the daily, yeah, there we go. So the 4 hour, the daily candle happened to just start right here, which is why that range is there. But we're not really out of the woods until we get above this zone up here, which is why I just put a little bit more weight on that one. Hang on, I'm trying to. How do we get out of this? Okay. James says today was great. New personal all-time highs. Nice. Is this good for Ethereum and XRP? Oh, yeah, as far as Bitcoin, let's pull that up really quick. Should be. Typically when Bitcoin goes up, rising tide raises all ships. Ethereum has kind of sat that one out for the most part, but I am pretty bullish Ethereum. I was this close to putting it in the growth account. Something. But we have enough of Mara and AMD still down on our plate that I just don't know if we're in a position to be just adding on new stuff. Which sucks. And that's one of the things that sucks when your account just isn't the right size. You just can't go on a buying spree. And there's opportunities everywhere. And I do think that's what leads to a lot of FOMO or gambling. But you got to learn to just sit that stuff out. XRP getting back. I would say that's a bull flag on XRP. Jumping back into the, I forgot to do the expected moves. Shoot. I will have those done tonight. NASDAQ. Ooh, interesting. So we gapped up. We talked about the gap up yesterday. We talked about how it would slightly be bullish, but the NASDAQ was the one that looked the worst. Man, now I'm kind of wondering if are we going to abide by that? And is that a parallel channel? Or is that the wedge right there? I don't like drawing wedges like this. I really don't. I don't really care for them. But we'll see. I'm sure somebody is. It lines up with that zone. Let's see if we see some sellers. If we do see sellers right now, big deal. After Friday and today, I mean, sent it and then gapped up, sent it again. We're right there. Hang on a second. She ate the other one. Okay. So rejecting at that zone, pulling all the way back to this zone, I would say is probably the dip buy for now. Technic says, yeah, Ethereum dust. That's what it would be, but that doesn't matter. We could get a whole Ethereum coin a lot faster than we could a Bitcoin. All right, Grandpa Dow hanging out. I want to be bullish. This was good, man. We had some movement in this, and then all of a sudden we're kind of just hanging out. Kind of awkward right here that we're just right below this zone. If I were to go long, I'd have to put my stop below today's low. You want to make a guest appearance? Do you want to make a guest appearance? Yeah, my dog does not want to leave. It wants to play. All right, you going upstairs? You staying down here? All right. Also, Casey says, I'm not the reason for the watermark. Take that back. Casey, do you see the watermark? We got to make sure that's off. All right, the Russell. Okay, you want to come up here? Come on. Sorry for the distraction, guys. Oh, cool. The camera's off. Oh, now we're back. Oh, whoa. Hey, be famous. Tell us what we want. What are we hearing? Red or green? Where are we going? Bite the microphone if it's green. No? All right. Well, not quite Oracle status yet. Green tomorrow, right? Kind of looks like it. Right now, to answer that question overall, there's a lot of things that are in a zone. That's just above. NASDAQ right here in a zone. Would not surprise me if it was a turnaround Tuesday. And then I would be in a bullish mindset to buy the dip maybe at the end of the day. That's a rally dog. I don't know if I would be. If I'm bullish tomorrow, it's a buy the dip kind of thing, and I would want a red candle. I know green candles make people forget all about everything. Brand new year, volume kind of coming back. If we all night stayed above this blue zone, I would say maybe bull flag, and we can be bullish tomorrow. It's kind of how I would look at it.